we have the opportunity to inspire the next generation to really get us to Mars. And in a very, very short walk, you can see the entire history of the United States space program, from the very early rockets of the Army all the way through to the shuttle. And when you see the families and the kids come in here and they look up with this, they're just awe-inspired by what they're seeing. Whether you see what's in back of me or whether you see what's outside, it's just phenomenal. And we need to preserve that, because these kids will be able to soak things in. They'll be so interested, I think, in pursuing some kind of STEM passion that we will end up with these kids doing things like building great robotics, maybe for surgery. We'll end up with them in space. We'll end up with them exploring other planets. We'll end up with them learning all sorts of things that probably weren't necessary when I went to school, but are so necessary now. And to see that inspiration and that passion spark is really just magical. And I think we can just give this a little cosmetic lift, and we're going to just inspire that next generation tremendously.